Okay, this is Charley, remote control paratrooper. Dropping from a remotely controlled plane, you can then open the chute and control him on the way down. As you can see, the transmitter has elastic bands on. That is no gimmick. That is the way Charley operates. Both arms up, the elastic bands are holding the arms up. If I now move a stick, Charley pulls an arm down. If I move the other stick, Charley pulls the other arm down, thus controlling the parachute. To flare, both sticks pulled out. Now when Charley is dropped, one just pushes the throttle full up, and as you can see, the elastic band pulled away and Charley deploys his parachute. A drone chute followed by a full chute, which is in perfect condition. Perfect condition. It's a paraplane type chute. Fills up, and he is very controllable on the way down. Okay, Charley, wave to the people. To pack Charley up, the easiest way, get the aerial out the way, is to obviously lie Charley down. Pull the chute back, take the leads or strings, whatever you want to call them, open the chute, wooden bit out, and just curl those in, and then scrunch the chute, keeping the drone chute to the top. Scrunch the chute in. Do not try and fold it nice and tidy. That is the way you'll have problems. Make it nice and bouncy so it's pushing up, it's pushing its way out. No problem at all tucked in nice. One thing we've lost is the other piece of chute, which we'll put out. Well, the bag, not chute, I should say. So we've got that all in. Drone strings up and down, and drone chute just left in. Just left in like that. Sides up, top on. Grab the ring. Up with the bottom, hatch, and on. He's ready for another jump. He's had about 10. All comes complete. Radio. Battery is in it. The radio gear is in it. This lead is for recharging Charley's battery, which are in his legs. On-off switch in a very appropriate position. And there we go. That is what you should be bidding for if you're watching this video. Charley, the remote control paratrooper.